Hello, my name is Rossella and today I'm going to talk about key signatures. What is a key signature and what do we need it for? Is it really necessary to know much about it? These and more questions will be answered in a bit. This video is an introduction about key signatures. If you need to revise the musical clefs, click on the links in the description below. They will tell you everything you need to know to get 4 marks in your next exam. And don't forget to press the red button here and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. Now, on to the key signature. The key signature is a symbol made up of sharps and flats that we write at the beginning of every stave between the clef and the time signature. Sometimes this space is empty. This is because there is a key signature. There is no sharps, no flats. If you want to learn more about this, click on the link in the description below or at the end of this video. I have said one crucial thing. You can find the key signature at the beginning of every stave. This means that on a score, every time we change line, we must write the key signature symbol again. For example, this is the score of the super famous and beautiful cello sonata by Beethoven. And we can see that each stave has the key signature on. What if the piece is 100 pages long? The piece can be as long as you want. You can have 1,000 of staves. And you will be able to see the key signature at the beginning of each and every one of them, after the clef. If you have watched my previous videos, I believe you are expecting a Memo-rhyme. And here it is. On every stave we shall regret, if the key signature we forget. The key signature is the signature of the key. Elementary, Watson. In other words, it is the signature, so the distinctive mark or the name of the most important note in a piece. This note is central. It is like a magnet that attracts everything around it. All the sounds other than this main one gravitate around this fundamental note. This key is called tonic because it also conveys a tone which expresses a particular feeling, character or mood. Does every note have a key signature? Yes, every tone has its own key signature with a specific number of sharps or flats. So we cannot have both flats and sharps in the same key signature, but as I said before, we can have a key signature with no sharps or flats. Is it like an invisible key signature? Yes, brilliant. From the key signature, we can identify the key note in a piece, the tonic. And from the tonic, we can find the main chord of a piece, the key chord. There is also a scale relating to the tonic and the chord. Most of the notes in the piece will be taken from that scale. For example, This is the beginning of a very famous string quartet piece by Mozart. In the key signature, there is one sharp, so it is in G major, and G is a tonic. The key chord is this, and the scale from which the notes of the tune are mainly taken from is this. Want to see it? Let's have a look at the violin first part. The first 9 notes are the key chord notes, combined in a very nice and cheerful way. The other 9 notes are taken from another important chord in G major, the dominant chord. Nevertheless, we can find them all within the G major scale. The key signature is so important that without it, the music wouldn't make any sense. What do you mean? Music is always nice. Yes, if you play the right notes. Shall we do an experiment? Shall we play a piece ignoring all the sharps or flats included in the key signature? All right then, off we go. This is the score of the super famous song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. As you can see, there is a key signature and it has 5 sharps. As we said, let's take them off and let's play this music. What is this? This doesn't make any sense. Let me hide somewhere away in the garden. See? Music without key signature would be unmusical. Shall we now play it with the sharps? This is so relaxing. Much better now. I want to learn it too. If you want to do some homework in an easy and relaxed way, pick up any of the music books that you have at home, flip through it and check the key signature in each piece. Remember that you might find the invisible key signature we talked about. When you see either sharps or flats, you can easily spot that their symbols always occupy a specific place on a stave, and they always appear in the same order. Keep your eye on that, and we will talk about it in the next episode. On every stave we shall regret, if the key signature we forget. I hope this video helped you understand more about the importance of the key signature in music. From now on, when you're learning a new piece and you hear a sound that is a bit interesting, go and check if you have forgotten a sharp or flat. Thank you for sharing and liking this video. Subscribe to this channel to become a theory virtuoso. Ciao!